Good morning, lovelies, and welcome to the Tuesday technique. It's not really a technique, it's more a let me show you how. So let's dive right in. My name is Charlotte Burns, and today what I'm going to show you is how to activate these gorgeous shimmer pens from close to my heart. So these are my collection, and I have them stored in one of these containers. Please don't ask me what it's called, because I can't remember, but I have them stored in one of these containers. I always store mine upright, because some of them are very juicy, let's say, and they like to juice everywhere, also known as leek, but leek is a vegetable. The black one in particular likes to get very juicy. So I'm first of all just going to show you, you can look online, just do a search for Shimmer Brush and you'll find them. But in our core catalogue, which goes through to, I think this one actually ends earlier than August, but anyway, in our core catalogue, we flip over to page 83. And here are our shimmer brushes. So you can get all of these gorgeous colors in the shimmer brush. There are not 44 colors, no. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 20, 30 colors plus a clear and a gold shimmer brush. So I have nowhere near that amount, but I am about to put an order in and get some more. They're $10 each. And you can also buy them as a bundle. So you can buy a bundle of 10 for $97. Now, if you're really good, you can contact me and say, hey, what do I do to get one of these bundles for half price? And I can get you a bundle of these shimmer brushes for half price. So just send me a message and I'll work something out with you. This is what the top of the brush looks like once it's been activated. This is what a shimmer brush, well, an older one, looks like when it first comes to you. So it'll come in a plastic bag. I'm going to move that out of the way. It comes in a plastic bag. It'll tell you the color, because if you look at mine, it's pretty hard to tell what color's what, except from on the baggie. The new shimmer brushes do have the name of the color printed on them. Mine didn't. So I just did a little, whatever those label things are called, the label maker label on them. And most of mine have got a label on them now. Isn't that a gorgeous color? See, I don't have a label on that, but I know that that is grape. And you can see something else is leaking in there. And look, it does happen. That's okay. All right, so how do you activate this shimmer brush? Well, first of all, you find the opening. That always helps. And you open it up like this. Now, what I did was I went and then I put them in there. So I know that this is scarlet, and I'm actually going to put that on the lid of my shimmer brush, because that's where I put all the other labels. So I'm just going to peel this off and pop that on so I don't lose it, because it is going funny. All right, hopefully I am back now. Let me just check my internet. I'm on the best internet I can get in. All right. So all I was saying was I'm going to stick this on, just in case it cut out. Now, when you get a new one, you'll see that there's a yellow band. If I pull out one of my non-juicy ones, no, that's an old one, there's no band. Can you see the difference between those two? There's no band there. That's because this one has been activated. That's what I call it, okay? Activated, or it's started. So what we need to do is unscrew and pull off the yellow band. It really is that simple, but that's not the end. Okay, so just unscrew and pull off the... Now, that is the last time, and I can't stress this enough, that is the last time you unscrew this pen, because what then happens is this is sealed. So when it's posted, it doesn't leak everywhere. Inside here, there is a very... Oh, okay, hopefully we're back. This has got a very pointy bit in there, and this is going to pierce the top of this. So you then screw it in. Now, there's a little bit of a gap. So what I need to do is pull the lid off. Now, sometimes when you start, this can be a bit difficult. So that's usually how I do it. Okay, I support it, and I pull off. Now, you can do this. I suggest, though, once this is activated, you don't do that, because if this is really juicy up the top and you do that over the top of your artwork, it's going to go sploosh, potentially. All right, so once I've got the lid off, I'm then going to screw it on a bit more. Then I'm going to put the lid back on fully and shake it. Now I'm going to shake it down towards the tip. Hopefully you'll hear that little rattle of a ball. You may even hear my husband's motorbike. He's about to head out. Give it a really, really, really good shake. Now, I'm doing this over the top of my Versamat because if I want to use the color that's... Okay, I think I'm back. If I want to use up some of the ink that may well come out, then doing it over a non-porous surface such as my all-purpose mat is the best thing to do. If I did it on some paper, all it's going to do is soak into the paper and then I can't use it anymore. So shaky, shaky, shaky. And what we might find is that, there we go, that has activated. So the juice, it's now changed color from clear to a color. If it doesn't activate, and that's actually gone super juicy, if it doesn't activate like that, what you might need is sides. Okay, but that is now activated, and what I can do is go like this, and it gives me pretties. Now, if that gives you pretties that are not sparkly, that is a little bit sparkly. I'm not sure if that's going to show up. If it gives you pretties that are not really sparkly, what you need to do lives inside from now on. If it's not sparkly enough for you, give the shimmer pen another shake. All it means is that your shimmery stuff has settled somewhere in the pen. That little ball's going to mix it in with the liquid and it should be good to go again. So that is how you activate a shimmer pen. If you have any questions, you can always contact me by Messenger. You can chuck this yellow ring out. It's not going to fit on anything. You can contact me by Messenger. I can give you a call and talk you through it, or we can message each other. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll grab some shimmer pens. Here we go. I'm back. All right. Grab yourself some shimmer pens. Have some fun. Make your day sparkle.